Let me share with you a story I like to call A Tale of Two Investors. Meet David and Gary. They're both 40-year-old plus real estate investors. Gary, well, he's stressed out and half crazy with worry, while David, he's the calm, cool, confident, and in control one. What's so different about these two? Gary got caught up and bought into all the negatives about being a 40-year-old plus real estate investor. Gary's also handicapped by the belief that he doesn't have the time, expertise, or money to find good rental units or good tenants who won't take advantage of him. And Gary thinks it's almost impossible to build hassle-free real estate-backed passive income. To make things even worse, Gary has completely bought into the idea that the real estate investors are the ones that have to deal with all the tenant and maintenance issues. David, on the other hand, found the 10x10.pro system and discovered the ability to create massive passive cash while enriching the lives of others at the same time. We gave him all the investment training to learn more and earn more while increasing his income and impact doing what he loved to do. David learned a great business lesson. It's not just about the money. In fact, on his journey to becoming a 10x10 pro, David learned a whole lot more than just that. 10x10.pro showed him all the insider tips he needed so he could build a river of passive income for himself and his family, create personal fulfillment through positively impacting the lives of others, to help his church, charities, and community through giving back, and to triple his income while doubling his time off, giving him extra precious time with his wife, children, and grandchildren. He also learned how to build a business that he's proud of because he's creating win-win-win transactions with every property. Best of all, David was able to start seeing results with the 10x10.pro system in as little as 30 to 45 days. What's the bottom line? Well, for founding members, it cost about 2 months of our targeted results. Unlike Gary, David understands that the real estate market is poised for a rental income explosion over the next 5 to 7 years. That the single best time to start investing in real estate, well, was years ago at the end of 2012, but today is the second best time ever to get started. And like David, you can start seeing results in as little as 30 to 45 days and be on the front end of the passive income market explosion. The moral of the story, don't be like Gary, be like David. Hi, I'm Bill Barnett. I'm the founder of the socially responsible investing movement known as 10x10.pro. Our mission here at 10x10 is to build a movement of real estate investors who are committed to massive income, massive contribution, and massive fulfillment. We'll give you the investment training to learn more and earn more while you're increasing your impact and your income doing what you love. Claim your unfair advantage today in the passive income investors game by completing your 10x10.pro application now.